G'day folks, I've been asked to do exercise 7.3, so in SolidWorks, file new, part, I'm going to sketch, and we're going to click the front plane. So from here what I do is I get the line tool and I make a construction line and a construction line, and this gives me my basis for drawing my shape. So from here, the line tool again, and draw these sorts of lines. So we just get the rough shape to start with. From here I get the circle tool, and we're going to dimension that at a radius of 6. So it's a diameter of 12. So what we might do first, also while we're dimensioning, is dimension this line at 45, and our overall is at 89. This point to our midline is 62.5. Drag this one down a bit. We've got more to work with. This point here to our midline is 22.5. Now I'm going to select this point and this point while holding down Shift and go horizontal. Hold this point and go horizontal. And this point and go horizontal. And then drag this one up, go back to here, and this one here is 12.5 millimeters. So it gives us a basic shape. Okay, so now we've got our 12. So if we bring that, get rid of that one. Okay, so we've got that going in here. Another one in here, another one in here, another one in here. Zoom in a bit. So shift on each of these 4 circles and equal. We'll make them all the same. I'll then click the circle, shift and line, and tangent, shift line, 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 and tangent, shift line, tangent, and tangent. The other thing we need to do is we go back to our dimensions, and this width here is 6.35. Alright. So if we get one line, holding down Shift, the center line and this line, and then go symmetric, and it will lock it into the middle for us. I might even extend this line out a bit. And do the same down here. This point and this point, symmetric. This point and this point, and symmetric. Okay. So now we get our trim entities. Zoom in. Alright. Now let's move up to the top here. So this line, shift this line, shift this line, and symmetric as well. In fact, while we're at it, we'll do this bottom line too. Symmetric. And let's do this point and this point. It's vertical. Okay. Now, this is let's undo them. First we'll go, so this one up here isn't 45, it's 38.1. So leave it driving. So if we click on this line and get our vertical and delete, and this one our vertical and delete. There you go. Alright, so this is 38.1. The base here is 16.1. Base here is 17.5. Let's just drag these out a bit. Okay. The angle between these two is not letting me do it. So, what have we got? 34. So, oops. Go back to our dimension between here and here. Half of 34 is 17. Let's just straighten this up a bit because I'm all over the place. Okay, there we go. That's better. Alright. So, is that all our measurements? No. We have these. Okay. So that line and this line are horizontal. And that point and that point are horizontal. Let's lock them, and then let's do that up here as well. Okay, so now notice that all our lines have turned black, so we're fully defined. What we're going to do now is come up to Features, go Revolve. We're going to do here, our axis of revolution is this baseline we put down here, and then we click OK. And there we've got our pulley. To put our keyway in it, right click, new sketch, let's center that up again, and we're going to cut a square out. So how big is that? That's smart dimension, 8 millimeters wide by 16 millimeters tall, with this being coincident here, and these 3 points being, no, let's go this way first. Another line in here for construction, and dimension here to here as 4. That pulls us back into the middle. Features extrude. We're going to cut it all the way through. Through all. Okay. And there's our keyway. Alright, and we change our material to cast carbon steel. We've got that cast carbon steel down here. Apply. That is the pulley. And just for interest's sake, these are the results I get.